Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how do you see block friends on Facebook. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application. Once you're there, make sure you've logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right, and then head over to your profile. And in here, you'll find the three dots on the right. And here, if you can't find the block options, then just go to search and search for block. So if you can't find that, head over to your settings option in here and then go to the search section and go to this blocking option right here. And here you will find your block list and the friends you have blocked on your account. So yeah, this is how you can see block friends on Facebook. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.